We're headed to Rivian's Joshua tree. It's Sunday and time to get moving.
And we're going to send this to the Rivian.
All right. And now you can see it transmitted to the Rivian. I could have done it from in here, but got to use all the toys and see what it's telling me. So it's open 24 hours, 7 days a week. That's kind of cool. I can rate it. I can call it. I'm sure they'll answer. I'll be doing another video of my install for the radar detector. Here we are in Apple Valley, just about to leave, and then we'll head into Lucerne Valley. There's the Roadhouse over there. They have really good food, big portions, all that good stuff. You got the United States Post Office. And there, we're about to head out into the high desert.
Big old flag.
That's a ginormous flag. So this is downtown Lucerne Valley, very country. A lot of cool little artifacts and things around here. You got your Dollar General. People selling knickknacks. And then if you head to the right, that'll take you to Big Bear. So that's kind of fun. That's why we like living here. I wanted to also explain that the roof, I think, is actually nicely tinted. There's the sun right there. Actually, half the time I don't even notice that the sun's beating down on us. And some people were saying that new opaque one that they have, which is pretty spendy, it really doesn't seem to make a difference. And I'd agree. So if you're on the fence of what to get, I would say just go with the basic one, unless you got a certain selection where it comes with it, or you just want to spend some extra money. But very happy with it as it is. Hay and feed. You can't get more rustic than that. And somebody's selling tamales. Look at that. I bet those are legit.
Yeah, I know.
It's very comfortable to sit in. That sounds funny, but it's a very comfortable ride, very smooth. And once you get used to all of the gadgets and everything, it's just chill. You just you can dial in your temperatures, you got your GPS, everything just glides. You feel so into the future, it's a great feeling.
Very smooth.
Very, very smooth. My camera person.
What?
So I subscribe to a lot of other Rivian ones. There's Sherwin. Hello, Sherwin. I don't know if he watches my channel. Then I've got, who's the other guy? Dominic, Mike, and then there's True Dad. I don't know what his real name is. But the True Dad guy was saying that when he gets a text message, it's not, he can't read it. I'll say this, if you have an iPhone, you can ask, and maybe, I would think Android does the same thing, because I used to have that just not that long ago. If I just say the command, hey S, read message, she reads the message really well. So I know it's not perfect. It's not like I can read it here, but to be honest, I would rather someone read it to me anyway than me reading it. So more dusty trails over there. There's not much out here, that's for sure. It's very, what's the word, desolate, I believe. Just had a series of Jeeps just get done four-wheel driving with a bunch of dust. That's cool. Going somewhere. We're getting closer to Yucca Valley now, so there's a lot more Joshua trees, as you can clearly see here. And then we'll eventually get to the intersection of the main kind of route, and then we'll be turning left, heading to Joshua Tree. Isn't that cool? Look at those birds. Wow, I don't know why. There's another section over there. Wow. Must be the uplift. There must be like a, you know what I'm saying?
I think they do play with the warm current.
Yeah. That is really cool. All right, we're 2 miles away, and we're going to turn on 29 Palms Highway. We're going to be turning left down there. You can see the Joshua Tree activity has picked up. I'm going to have to fire my camera person. They just keep missing all the opportunities. It was welcome to Joshua Tree, so I'll just have to explain it to you. Ah! So, he also stops filming and doesn't tell me, so I keep talking when there's nothing going on. No, nothing's recording this amazing, like, dialogue. Or is it a monologue?
If you're by yourself, it's a monologue.
I kind of feel like I'm by myself.
Which is your favorite?
MDLT. I don't know what that is. Anywho, we are close. 1.2 miles left. And then they're preparing for battery fast charging right there.
Your destination is on the left.
Well, there it is. It's funny, it looks smaller than I was expecting. So we're not supposed to be there yet. So we'll wait. We're like 30 minutes early, and then we'll drop in. In the meantime, I'm gonna cruise around, show you a little bit here what's in the Joshua Tree area. There's the inn. Can you hear the vibration over here? Because I can. Here, give it to me. What are you doing?
What do you want?
No, I just... Stop. No, it's right there. Stop it. Rivian. My camera person has allergies. Sad. Really sad. This is unreal. Here we go, man. It's getting crowded. This is it. Very cool. I guess we're in the right zone here. Okay, I'm going to show you what it's like now, too. I'm just going to go straight at... Wow, that is not in Neil mode, by the way. Why is that not in Neil mode? Okay, let's get this thing open. There we go. And it just says plug in and charge your Rivian. Should be good to go. It says connecting. Connecting. Authorizing. Starting. I heard a clicky sound. I didn't do anything else. There's no apps that I opened. It's already pre-done, I guess. This may take a moment. They're looking great so far. There we go. Now we lit up the... So now we are charging. This thing's good to go. Just walked away from the Rivian and I locked my wife in the car. It's based on my phone. That's kind of hilarious. Just wanted to film. There's a Joshua Tree. All right, we made it. We're at the Joshua Tree, and they legit have Joshua trees all over. Rivian charging stations. Very nice, though. I love the architecture. Should probably film with the other right here. So nice. So how many stalls do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Really nice. I'll have to go check out the rest for that. And it's dog friendly. You have lizards, it's lizard friendly too. You can just tell. This dog he's totally chilling. Oh, this is nice. I don't think we'll leave for a while. You can fill up your water. Ooh, we gotta do this in our yard. Yeah, I like this. We got the water fountain. Some pokey things. Nice. It's Sherwin. Look who I bumped into, Sherwin. This is one of the YouTubers I subscribe to, and he also has obviously a Rivian truck. So, hello, Sherwin.
How's it going?
It's like, I'm fanning over him and his channel. But it's so cool, and the community that you're a part of, and now I'm a part of.
Yes,
so I feel,
welcome.
Thank you. And we're here at Joshua Tree. So this is you could check out all the inventory, everything getting charged. How long have you had your Rivian?
March 2024.
March 20. Okay,
So
yeah,
about 9 months.
That is relatively new.
Yes.
Yeah. Very
And
cool.
we're standing in front of a tri-motor
I know.
R1T.
They're beautiful, but we were saying, I think for me, I'm very happy with the standard pack. Now you have the performance though.
I have the dual motor performance. Yeah, I think it's more than what I need.
Yeah, it's fun. I know, I don't know about you, but like when I took the family in for like a 0 to 60, pressed on the accelerator, and everyone got queasy. And that's 0 to 60 in 4.5. It's not even, what's yours do?
I don't even know.
It's like, it's gotta be like 2 something, I feel like.
It's probably in the threes, maybe three and a half.
3.5,
Three and a
yeah.
half,
But it's,
yeah.
I don't know, did your family get queasy at all, or is it just me?
I mean, we're pretty used to it, but we don't really punch it that
Yeah,
much.
no, that's probably good. Never do that. But that also happened to me. I did Vegas Speed. Have you done that? Because you've
No,
gone
I
to
have
Vegas.
not.
You've seen it on the side of the road,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Yeah, the Lamborghinis and stuff. So I drove that. I did a Lamborghini and Ferrari, and I did the lap track. And my wife's like, well, she was all excited. How did you do? Was it fun? And I said, I just feel queasy, man. It's wild. So I guess I'm not meant to do that. But
Yes.
anyway. But again, Sherwin, thank you.
Thank you, thank
This
you.
is the coolest thing.
Yes, nice to meet
awesome.
you.
And obviously I'll link his channel too. See y'all. I'm in a rocking chair here in the back. It's very private. Oh, geez, my hand's in the way. Oh, gear guard. Hey, buddy. hot sauce. There you go. You can see Joshua trees there in the distance.
It's a beautiful view.
We are good to go.
I don't like it.
I don't like your phone. My camera person's complaining again. My God. Yeah, so we're wrapping up. We're in these very comfortable rocking chairs. Yeah. I guess I should do that. See, I'm rocking. But yeah, beautiful setting. And we have Joshua trees in the distance. Stop at a coffee place because the coffee machine they were gonna get at the Rivian outlet there, they wasn't working. So check out that thing. It's a classic.
Something we would have in Europe.
Well, that was a heck of a lot of fun. I had no idea. I was telling my wife I was hoping I was going to meet Sherwin. But also on top of it, just the whole vibe that they've captured here at this adventure outpost. But we're going to say goodbye and thank you. Thank you to everybody. The staff was amazing.
Brandon was great.
Brandon was great. Brandon, enjoy your lunch. And we'll talk to y'all on the next video. And thank you to everybody for watching and subscribing. Enjoy.